how to fix slow internet connection on Huawei P30. Troubleshoot network issue on Huawei P30. Are you getting slow internet connection issue on your Huawei P30? If you are, then there's no need to worry. You can easily make this problem go away by following this guide. Fixing slow internet connection issue is usually easy to fix. If you're having this problem on your Huawei P30, find out how to solve it below. Slow internet connection fix number 1, do a speed test. There are a number of reasons why you have slow internet connection issue on your Huawei P30. When it comes to internet connectivity, a lot of variables are involved and an end user troubleshooting the problem can't account for all of them. Sometimes, the issue is coming from the device, but they can also just as easily come from things beyond your control. The first thing that you want to do as your first troubleshooting step is to know how slow your internet connection is as measured by your device, since this is the indicator of how you experience internet on your Huawei P30. It's a good way to start off your troubleshooting. On your Huawei P30, pull up your web browser and go to any speed test site such as fast.com or spedtest.net. Alternatively, you can install a speed test app from Google Play Store and use it to check your internet connection speed. We assume you know the expected speed of your internet connection, but if you don't get first-hand information from your ISP or your network operator. As a general rule, internet service providers are supposed to provide a percentage of the maximum achievable speed 80% of the time. Exact figures may vary, but knowing the numbers should give you a baseline from which you can compare speed test result. If the results are way too low for your expected internet speed, then the cause of your slow internet connection problem must be your service provider. Slow internet connection fix number 2, power cycle network devices. If you rely on Wi-Fi for your internet connection needs, the next troubleshooting step that you want to do is to ensure that you restart all networking equipment. Nowadays, carriers often only provide a modem router to their customer, so you'll need to restart that. If you have the traditional setup of modem and router, then make sure to restart them. Slow internet connection fix number 3, perform a soft reset. If you have slow internet connection issue when using mobile data, you need to perform a soft reset. This procedure is the equivalent of a battery pull. It basically restarts your phone like when you disconnect the battery. On your Huawei P30, this is done by pressing and holding the power key for 10 to 15 seconds. If nothing changes after attempting to reboot the device a few times, you can abandon this troubleshooting and proceed to the next ones below. Slow internet connection fix number 4, check the SIM. One of the basic factors that you also need to check at this point is the SIM card. You can do so by turning off your phone and removing the SIM card temporarily. After that, wait for a few seconds before inserting the SIM card again. In most cases, an account issue can be the reason why a SIM card may not work properly. At other times, it can be physical damage or dirt that sticks on the copper contacts. Either way, the best way to check if the SIM card works fine is by getting a new one. If possible, try visiting your local carrier store and see if you can get a SIM card replacement. Slow internet connection fix number 5, reset network settings. A Huawei device can sometimes encounter network troubles if network settings are incorrect. This doesn't mean that you personally made some incorrect changes. Sometimes, an app or update can lead to changes that's not optimal for other apps or for the operating system. Open the Settings app. Go to Advanced Settings. Scroll to and tap Backup and Reset. Select Network Settings Reset from the given options. If prompted, read the warning message and then tap Network Settings Reset twice to confirm. Allow your device to finish resetting network settings and restore the default values. When it's done resetting network settings, reboot your phone, then reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Slow internet connection fix number 6. Check for bad third-party app. Sometimes, a third-party app may cause problems or interfere with the operating system. Having network troubles due to a bad app is not unheard of in Huawei devices. Restart the phone to safe mode and see if that's the case. Power off the device. Power it back on. Once you see the Huawei animation on the screen, press and hold volume down button. You can see safe mode at the bottom left corner once the device finishes booting. Now that the device has started on safe mode, charge it and see if there's a difference. Don't forget, safe mode blocks third-party apps, but it won't tell you which of them is the real cause. If you think that there's a rogue third-party app in the system, you must identify it. Here's what you need to do exactly. Boot to safe mode. Check for the problem. Once you've confirmed that a third-party app is to blame, you can start uninstalling apps individually. We suggest that you begin with the most recent ones you added. After you uninstall an app, restart the phone to normal mode and check for the problem. If your Huawei P30 is still problematic, repeat steps 1-4. Slow internet connection fix number 7, delete system cache. In order to load apps quickly, Android stores frequently used items like website links, images, videos, ads, among others in a part in internal storage called cache partition. Sometimes, these items, collectively called system cache, may get outdated or corrupted, causing performance problems or bugs. With your phone turned off, press and hold both the volume up and power buttons simultaneously for at least 10 seconds. Let go of the buttons when the Honor logo appears. Shortly after seeing the logo, the MUI screen shows up with the recovery mode options. Press the volume down button to scroll to and highlight Wipe Cache Partition option, then press the power button to confirm selection. Use the volume buttons to scroll to and highlight the next options and power button to confirm selection. Slow internet connection fix number 8, install updates. Some network problems can only be fixed by changing software codes. If your device is still slow internet connection issue at this point, make sure that you install whatever available software update there is at the moment. If there's no any available update at all, then simply ignore this suggestion. Go to Settings. Tap System. Select System Update. Tap the option to check for updates. To check for any pending app updates you've downloaded through the Google Play Store app, launch Play Store, then navigate to the Updates section. You will then see a list of apps with pending updates. Don't forget to reboot, soft reset your P30 after installing updates to ensure all new software changes are properly implemented and to prevent any app from going rogue. Slow internet connection fix number 9, factory reset. The final troubleshooting step that you can perform on your Huawei P30 is to wipe the phone with factory reset. Doing a factory reset will delete your personal data, so be sure to back them up ahead of time. Turn off the mobile by pressing the power key for a few moments. Press and hold volume up and power buttons for a couple of seconds. When recovery mode appears, let go of all keys. Now choose Wipe Data, Factory Reset. Use volume buttons to navigate and the power key to accept it. Confirm the operation by typing in yes and select Wipe Data, Factory Reset. When you see the Google verification info, confirm the operation by selecting Wipe Data, Factory Reset. Finally, choose Reboot System now by using the power key. Slow internet connection fix number 10, contact your network operator or internet service provider. Depending on what type of internet connection type, you should contact your carrier or ISP for help if nothing improves after a factory reset. There must be a reason that problem is not fixable on your end.